Skool versus Discord for Community Groups 2024 full comparison. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the comparison among Skool and Discord for community groups. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Skool. Skool provides an intuitive and clean interface that is easy to navigate for both instructors and students. Emphasizes building a community around your course, offering integrated forums and group discussions to enhance student interaction. Includes gamification elements like points and leaderboards, which can increase student engagement and motivation. Combines course hosting, community building, and engagement tools in one platform, making it convenient for educators. Integrates smoothly with other tools and platforms, allowing for easy management of marketing and sales. Somehow lacks advanced marketing tools and analytics, which might be a drawback for some creators. Offers fewer customization options for course design compared to other platforms. As a newer platform, it may have fewer features and integrations compared to more established platforms. Now, let's come towards Discord. Discord provides real time chat, voice, and video capabilities, enhancing engagement within communities. Offers extensive customization of channels and roles for different types of interactions. Free to use with optional premium features for additional functionalities. Integrates with a wide range of third party tools and bots for added functionality. Includes features like server boosts, roles, and permissions to manage large communities effectively. Primarily a communication platform with limited features for managing courses or structured learning, can be overwhelming for new users with its multitude of features and settings. Has limited built-in options for monetizing community interactions compared to dedicated platforms. Choosing between Skool and Discord for community groups depends on your specific needs. Skool is ideal if you need a platform with integrated community and learning features and competitive pricing. On the other hand, Discord excels in providing real time communication and customization for interactive communities with extensive integration options. Consider whether you need a focus on community management and learning or robust communication tools to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.